She and I'm back with another video. Today you obviously see that I emptied this because I did a video and my slime, I added all that stuff and my slime got all messed up. So now I have an extra container to do something with it. And I said yesterday, what should I do? Oops. Sorry guys. What should I do with this? I said, how about I try to make slime? Pantene. Today I will be trying to make slime with shampoo and sugar to see if it will actually come together and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, please let's get into it. We are back with all my supplies now, and now I will be putting some Pantene shampoo. I didn't want to put too much. Okay, I have to taste it. Yeah, it's actually starting to have like a form, I guess. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Sorry guys for the interruption. Ooh guys, my lighting just got super dark. Hello lighting. And this is starting to work. I say. It's like forming kinda. Let's try to put some more, I guess. Anyways, I really want this to work. Y'all hip to do.
Dude,
Huh?
put that sugar back in there.
I'm only using a little bit, huh?
Put it back in.
Okay. Sorry guys for this interruptions that I keep on getting. Anyways, let's just try to do this again, I guess. Hey, it's actually really forming, and that's kind of really cool. I'm about to go get some more salt and sugar. guys, this is actually forming into something. And by the way, I never ever tried this before either. So this is something brand new, brand spanking new. Like, it's forming, but it's not coming together. Oh, I just want this to like come together so bad. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. I'm gonna skip all that because I don't want it to take too long. So I'll be back when this comes out of the freezer. Bye.